Invictus Herringbone Click is the easy-to-install luxury vinyl floor. With the unique one-plank click system, no need to sort. Carefully read the installation manual. It comes with the box and is also available online. To install Invictus Herringbone Click, all you need is a few basic tools. Store the boxes in the room the floor will be installed in and acclimatize for 12 hours at room temperature. The subfloor must be hard, clean, dry and smooth. When the subfloor is not level or uneven, apply a leveling compound. Your Invictus floor is compatible with underfloor heating. When the area exceeds 20 meters in width or length, use expansion joints to divide the space. Just read the manual for the installation instructions. Draw the center line to divide the room in two. Mark the middle of the short side of a plank. Put the plank on the center line, create a 45-degree angle, and draw the installation line parallel to the center line. This will ensure that the floor pattern remains straight during installing. Always check the planks for defects before and during installation. Invictus Herringbone Click has an easy one-plank click system with just one type of plank. You do not need to sort them. Cut a 45-degree triangle from the plank and place it near the wall. Place a spacer to keep an 8mm expansion gap. Insert the tongue into the groove, fold down, then press down gently to align the planks. You may also use a rubber mallet, but with care. You can now easily lock the planks to complete the first 2 rows. Make sure to stay on the installation line and mix planks from different boxes to minimize shade variations. Measure the last plank of the row and cut it to length. Make sure it fits neatly at the end of the row, keeping an 8mm expansion gap. Start a new row by locking the first plank. Connect the tongue with the groove, fold down and gently press down. Connect the next plank by the short side. Insert the tongue into the groove and fold down. Then connect the plank on the long side by angling it towards you. Do this until the result is seamless. Put all rows into place to complete the herringbone pattern. Measure the planks needed for the rows near the wall and cut them to length. Make sure they fit neatly, keeping an 8mm expansion gap. To measure and cut the pieces needed to fill the empty spaces, lock 4 planks together to make a triangle. Measure the distance from the wall to the starting point of the triangle or empty space. Mark this distance on your assembled triangle and cut the planks. Disassemble the different pieces and assemble them into the empty space, starting with the longest piece, ending with the shortest. Skirting should be attached to the wall, never to the floor. You must keep an 8mm expansion gap so the floor can contract and expand freely. The herringbone pattern is now complete. All planks are seamlessly connected and the design is perfectly symmetrical.